Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your restaurant business with an easy method. First, we will set up your chart of accounts, customizing it for restaurant-specific categories like food costs and labor. Next, we will integrate your point-of-sale system to track daily sales accurately. Then, we will manage inventory for all your food and beverage items efficiently. Finally, we will monitor labor costs, including wages and tips, with precision to ensure profitability. Effectively tracking sales is crucial for any restaurant. You should integrate your point-of-sale system directly with QuickBooks for seamless data flow. This allows you to categorize sales by menu item or service type, providing detailed insights into your revenue streams. Remember to reconcile daily cash, credit card, and delivery service transactions to ensure accuracy. Generating sales reports will help you identify peak hours and popular dishes, informing your business decisions. Managing inventory and costs is vital for restaurant profitability. Begin by entering all ingredient purchases as bills or expenses in QuickBooks. This helps you track inventory levels for food, beverages, and supplies accurately. You can then calculate your cost of goods sold for each menu item, understanding your true expenses. Don't forget to monitor vendor payments and manage accounts payable effectively to maintain healthy cash flow. Finally, let's discuss payroll and essential financial reports. QuickBooks allows you to process payroll for all employees, including both hourly and salaried staff. It also helps track tips and ensures proper tax withholdings are applied, keeping you compliant. Regularly generate profit and loss statements to assess your restaurant's financial health and review balance sheets to understand your assets, liabilities, and equity. These reports are invaluable for informed decision-making.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.